This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìbò 2027, Pastor yìí tún ti jáde o, Pastor London tún ti jáde láti sọ àwọn prophecy kan lórí ẹni tó máa jẹ president 2027. Wọ́n ní kò ń ṣe ń tààrọ̀ sí o, pé nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run fi hàn àwọn, who's going to become the president of 2027. God has revealed a lot of things to him, like we've been looking at someone is leading and all of a sudden someone will come from behind and this person will be. Wo kò ń ṣe nǹkan tá a rò rárá, ẹ wá nǹkan ìfìdílé nǹkan ẹja àjọgbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé prophecy láti ẹnu prophet láti ìlú United Kingdom ẹja àjọgbọ́ kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ máa fọ opinion yìí sínú comment kẹ́ máa drop opinion yìí.
By the Spirit of God over Nigeria, that the race for the next person to rule Nigeria started, and I saw from the back a man ran, and it seems as if they are ahead of him, and he caught up with them. By the time he caught up with the others, his speed was terrific, that he caught up with them with a cutting edge and passed others, and the others tried all their energy, but they failed. And it now dawned on them in the month of August that this person will certainly win. So they had a plan, and their plan was they gathered some people together and instructed them to join that boat that is flying ahead. It's a ship rather, and shipwreck it. And they came in hailing others as if they are part of the group, and they began to perform as if they are active part of the group, but their intention is to shipwreck that ship. But the sovereign Lord said, I saw by the prayer of the saints, the power of God began to shoot them out one after the other, because judgment will come over Nigeria. Many powers will be paralyzed in Nigeria. The power that have been before shall not be anymore. Their names and record and history shall be wiped off the record book of Nigeria. Because many don't understand that the season of Nigeria now is a season that the Most High God have risen for the salvation of the nation of Nigeria, because of what Nigeria is in the end time revival agenda of God. Woe to he that decides to combat with the one on whom no man can face. It has been said again before, and people thought it was not true. By other mouths, it was because the timing was not up. But in this season, the timing has come. God is the one who fight a battle for you, and you are mystified. Because all the arsenal and weapons that you depend upon, none of them will come to effect by him. He uses a very simple thing that man do not think can be, to confound the intelligence of this world. When the trumpet is sounded, then the city knows that there is war. However, yesterday, that is 30th to 31st, I saw an unrest from Lagos, all the western region I saw. And these people are fully armed to destabilize the kingdom that is of that region. And I saw them shooting, slaying people who are innocent. And I was in the midst of this bloodbath, in a room upstairs in a house. And I was saying in my heart, Lord, why should they do this to themselves? Why should they do this to themselves? And the Lord said, pray. And my people should pray that this is the plot of the enemy. And if we will pray, and we will, you may see a little hint, but it will not take place. it will not take place. For their preparation is fully ready. The arms they have bought it. They have kept the arms in their armory. But there is somebody who can put fire in the armory of man and it will explode. If those who kept the weapons if he extends mercy to them, he will elude them when he will destroy the armory. But if he did not extend mercy to them, he will allow them to go and be armed, and they will all burn in fire in the broad daylight, so that mortal men may know that the Lord God of heaven rules over the affairs of men.